Hi, my name's Andy Scott. My company, Rel Capital, buys a number of distressed and turnaround companies. We work differently to other turnaround investors. We don't look to rob the assets from liquidators or just strip the old management team out. We work with the management teams. They retain a often 20% share in the business, and we look to work with those teams long term, hold for 5-10 years, and grow the business together. One of the businesses we picked up last week, because we're obviously very busy at the moment, is Davian Coaches, a leading London provider to the coaching market. Davian Coaches has been going since 1971. Despite the horrible time they've had, they didn't want to give up on the business, so they turned to us, who said, come in, help us grow the business, and they retain a share in the business in exchange for our investment. We have, with the acre site they have in Tottenham, North London, developing a commercial repair alongside the coaching, which we're launching next week. We as a fleet have 250 vehicles, so it makes sense we substitute that income of the coaches that it's lost with the third-party commercial work. So bringing in restructuring teams can help look at other markets within the business. The coaching industry has had a horrible time the last 6 months. They lost all of their school contracts in March when the schools were off. They then lost their whole summer trade, which is their profitable months for private hire and their tour work. And they're now faced with just school contracts, which have got to be operated COVID safe. We basically have a fleet of coaches that are operating on 40% of their normal business, just operating in the morning and the afternoon. So it's not a sustainable model. We need to get the country back going, and hopefully after Christmas that private hire market will come back.